Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new English story episodes. Now, let's begin today's phrasal verb shadowing session. Today's episode is a mix of storytelling and real phrasal verbs you can use in everyday life. I will tell the story in small sections, and after each section, we will pull out the phrasal verbs, repeat them together, and practice their meaning through shadowing. Follow my voice, enjoy the story, and let the language flow naturally. This story begins on a quiet Sunday morning. Alex woke up later than usual because he had stayed up working on a project the night before. When he finally got up, he realized he had run out of coffee. This was a problem because Alex never starts his day without coffee. So he decided to head out to the local cafe at the corner of his street. As he was getting ready, he opened his window to let in some fresh air. The morning breeze was cool, the sunlight was soft, and everything felt calm. He put on his jacket, grabbed his wallet, and set off for the cafe. On his way, he saw his neighbor struggling with grocery bags. Alex stopped to help and quickly picked up one of the heavy bags to carry it for her. Phrasal verbs, part 1. Repeat after me. Run out of. I ran out of coffee. Shadow. I ran out of coffee. Again. One more time. Head out. I'm heading out now. Shadow. I'm heading out now. Again. Let in. Let in fresh air. Shadow. Let in fresh air. Set off. We set off early. Shadow. We set off early. Pick up. He picked up the bag. Shadow. He picked up the bag. Now, let's return to the story. After helping his neighbor, Alex continued walking toward the cafe. When he arrived, he noticed that the place had completely changed. The owner had decided to try out a new design, new tables, soft lights, and quiet music in the background. Alex liked it immediately. He ordered his drink and sat by the window. As he waited, he looked back on the past week and realized how busy he had been. He promised himself that he would slow down a little. When the barista brought his coffee, Alex thanked her and carried on writing in his notebook. He was working on a small list of goals he wanted to figure out for the upcoming month. Before leaving the cafe, he decided to check in on his friend Emma, who lived nearby. He sent her a message asking if she wanted to meet. Phrasal verbs, part 2. Repeat after me. Try out. I want to try out a new place. Shadow. I want to try out a new place. Look back on. I look back on my week. Shadow. I look back on my week. Carry on. I carried on writing. Shadow. I carried on writing. Figure out. I need to figure it out. Shadow. I need to figure it out. Check in on. I checked in on my friend. Shadow. I checked in on my friend. Now, let's go back to the final part of the story. Emma replied quickly and said she would love to meet. So Alex finished his coffee, packed up his notebook, and stepped outside. The weather had become warmer, and people were slowly filling the streets. On his way to Emma's apartment, Alex thought about how a simple morning, running out of coffee, heading out, helping a neighbor, enjoying a new cafe, had turned into something peaceful and meaningful. For the first time in weeks, he felt calm, he felt present, and he felt ready to carry on with the rest of his day. Final shadowing block. Repeat with me. I can use phrasal verbs naturally. Again, one more. Stories help me remember new phrases. Again, one more. I learn better when I enjoy the lesson. Again, one more. I can carry on practicing every day. Again, one more. Thank you for joining today's episode. If you enjoyed the story and the phrasal verbs, don't forget to subscribe for more story-based English practice. Keep going, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.